Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. So yesterday, Shatta Wale arrived to Ghana, coming back from Jamaica from his performance from the Freedom Street tour with Vybz Kartel. It was a warm reception, but of course, some Jamaican critics noticed that there's up here man at the airport. Anyways, I'm sure he has women fans too. We never know. We never know why they're not there. Could be a lot of reasons. But either way, he had a nice warm reception, got some gifts, and I'm going to let you guys get a chance to hear what he said about his feedback coming to Jamaica and what happened with his welcoming, and how people greet him, and just to see a different side of how artists are treated in different countries versus how they're treated in Jamaica most of the times, because, a lot of them get to fight. So what I wanted to do was just highlight an article that was in Ghana paper and how it reflect on Shatta Wale's performance in Jamaica, which is kind of not aligning with what Jamaicans believed his performance was. But either way, I will show a highlight of his performance at Freedom Street afterwards. Now, Modern Ghana, an article dated January 8th, 2025, highlights Shatta Wale's performance in Jamaica. So the headliners reads that Shatta Wale returns to Ghana after a groundbreaking performance at Vybz Kartel's Freedom Street. So in the article, they said that he did an electrifying performance that left a long-lasting impression on Jamaica. Then they said that his lasting impression on the Jamaican crowd made Kartel dub him African King. Now, what I find interesting, you guys could go check out the article and support them, is the fact that they made it sound like he did this amazing performance when a lot of people actually were disappointed with how he performed. Obviously he just came as a pass-by person and so forth, but some people expected to see some African culture in his performance. Some people expected, obviously couldn't bring a live band, but they didn't expect him to do lip syncing, which was disappointing to a lot of people because they know he could perform. So I found it interesting that when you look at this article and other articles from Ghana, how their perspective is way different than when you hear from Jamaicans and what their perspective of how he performed was. Either way, I think they're just overall excited of him, being in Jamaica. He got to do some collaborations and work with some other artists. So I think they just believe that whole thing was just honorable, and they're just proud of him. But I think we need to really be honest with artists when they're not performing at their best. This is just my personal opinion. And, as much as we love our artists and we're fans of certain artists, I think it's highly important that we be honest with them. So what I'm going to do is let you guys hear what Shatta Wale had to say when he returned to his country, and also watch the performance afterwards, and you let me know. Do you think he did a great job or not? What do you think? Leave a comments below. And remember to like, subscribe, and share and support the channel. Thanks.
Fan base in Jamaica, a very big one. So I want you to speak to all SM fans globally, not just Ghana, because now SM is bigger than Ghana. It's a global thing now. And let me hear you say, pa, pa, pa. So, Shatta Wale, your final message to all your beloved fans.
All I want to say is God bless you, Shatta Wale fan. I know it has not been easy for me to come back on a journey like this, but yes, for now, big people can really realize and see what my dance is music. I just want to say a big thank you to every SM fan. God bless them. And like I always say, anytime I make money, I'm still going to support them. I'm still going to be with them. All the money I'm making is for the SM fans and nobody else.
Give us one last pa, 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 then we can wrap up.
Pa, 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 pa.
Yo, Jamaica! Yeah! What? Yo, me over this water! Get ready for your pocket! Shut the stand strong! On a legend like a FIFA player, Diego Maradona. In a split Spanish, but me was Spanish, and them border. See, the thing gets sick, and the doctor even can't find me folder. But it's still not gonna make it by the blessings in the show. In a dance hall, man, a shareholder. Run every rhythm like man, a bipolar. Straight to the moon like a rocket. Can't send it from a power setting at the socket. Secure the wallet. Never put bully, cause the lyrics are the tablet. You aim on the pussy, then I mean a miss target. Then they get on them, we have the money in the house.
Oh, my man.
Shatta Wale.
Nothing. Respect. World boss. Respect. Yo, from all you know this stuff. Everybody, not just on here. From Ghana. Hey. Yo, be a master. Everybody. Shout to everybody else. Africa. Hey. Everybody, stay safe. Okay, go to the party now. Everything we rule. Yo, big up everybody. I'm coming all the way from Africa just to support this man. This man is an angel in Africa. Thanks. In flesh, in soul. I love you so much, Daddy. Yeah.
Love alone, bro.
Yeah. Before I leave here, I just want to tell you that we Africans love Jamaicans and we support Jamaican music. So anywhere you're there, don't say Ghana support Jamaica. So we are one family. Come on, don't say you want to win next year. Let me hear you say pop.
Yo, people, go over my YouTube channel,
Yeah,
Gucci and Beats.
Yeah.
Cause I don't get some restriction thing from TikTok.
You like us not here. From you don't say you believe in God. Everybody. Listen. 10 million lashes, but I don't cry. 10 years bury, but I don't die. Take what's rightfully mine.
Go over YouTube.
But at the side,
I don't know what I want to say.
I said this head bigger than your dugu. Stab on a cadam, we like the shoot too. One bullet, I say challenge to make you poo-poo. On the bicycle, so take your trailer. And I'll be famous like Mali and the Whalers. I know they kiss ass, fuck all your favors. Nobody bigger than God, Jehovah. Hey, you not gonna show me nothing. Bring cause I go bring my daughters. On God, me I promise. You will be there all the day.